Cuando toca, toca, dijo la loca.
Y se lo echó a la boca.
Vámonos.
Step up to the mic, plead for the earth's salvations. Politicians around question our reputation. For years now, we've been up for elimination. Replication gone of old methods of education. Sensational elevations, vibing through the vibrations. Taking notes of dimensions as the unknown speak. Demented hallucinations given to those that's weak. He sees jeepers creepers every other day of the week. Sons of the light fall from the sky, while the elders hope that everything goes according to plan. Most fall victim and walk with the damned, for they seek and try to understand what I don't give a hand to. Death of a curious fool. I'm not here to pass judgment, I'm just passing through. Steadily focused on progressing and looking for the next clue. I remember all teachings, but always follow one rule. Follow your inspiration, even if it's the last thing you do. Even if it's the last thing you do. I'm losing elevation fast and the moon's out at last. Let it all go is what I heard from the blast. Picked from a different class, more gel, less mass. But with the 5150s, man, we're up for the task. A crow's knee to the neck, fuck around like bet. Now you know that we're the downest ones you've ever met. Never walk around upset, race to always claim the set. Built from a little youngster, dying to get a rep. Give my heart to the cause and never to a goddess. Put others before ourselves, sons of light, stay flawless. Escape from the matrix, but back to save more. I'm like Keanu Reeves, unstoppable to settle scores. Ancient empire rules out to give 1,000 horse. Transcending the being of man, surviving the toughest floors. They say we're worthless, but who's the one that charged the shores? Roman times we salute and give our life for the final roar. Somehow we come out on the other side, wise enough to go through and focused enough not to divide. All hands up, who's down to ride? Homicidal, we're protecting the clan and its pride. Through the mercy of God, we're still alive. The methods of control revised and put in play. Give them no purpose and watch them give away every day. Flood the media and they'll listen to exactly what we say. Same narrative conquered by divide and promises on replay.
Are you a man who once said death smiles at us all? All a man can do